I'm glad that you're able to join us this afternoon for orientation, and I appreciate you all giving me the opportunity to share information with you that we feel will be helpful as you pursue your degree here at CU. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Samantha Coffey, and I'm your contact for anything relating to your tuition and your student account. I work with students in all of our graduate business programs, and I'm here to help you understand your tuition bill, answer any questions that you may have regarding your student account, payments, or payment plans that are available. You can reach me best via the ticket system or by email, but I'm also available by phone as well, and my contact information is provided here on the screen. By now, I hope you all have made yourselves familiar with TigerNet, but if not, no worries. Our student portal, which is known as TigerNet, is simple to use. I've provided the link here on my screen if you have not yet accessed the portal. Anything relating to your student account can be found under the Finances tab. After clicking the Finances tab, you will then see a list of options which include making a payment, enrolling into a payment plan, checking your account statement, enrolling in direct deposit refunds, designating a payer for your account such as an employer or a parent, accessing your 1098-T form for tax purposes, as well as reviewing all of our payment and withdrawal policies. The Pay My Bill page is one that you will need to familiarize yourself with. This page is going to give you the option to make your payments, enroll into payment plans, check your transactions, view your activity detail, and also offers additional options when clicking on My Account, such as enrolling in direct deposit, sending the payer invitations, as well as entering saved payment methods. From time to time, we do have students who have issues accessing this page. If you see a black screen when trying to access this page, this is actually a browser issue and will require you to clear your cache and enable cookies. Or you can also try using Microsoft Edge, as it is strongly recommended and most compatible with TigerNet. If you experience any issues accessing the Pay My Bill section, please feel free to reach out to our office. Also found in the gray menu bar is an additional information page that you'll find helpful. It is titled Louisville Graduate Business Programs, and on this page you will find our payment policies, payment detail, withdrawal and refund policies, as well as our census dates for our graduate business programs. Now let's move on to your actual cost of tuition. At each registration period, students will be enrolled in 2 courses along with an experiential learning BA 500 course. These courses are taken in 2 terms, a G term and an H term. Your G term is 8 weeks in length and is completely online. The H term is 16 weeks in length and is hybrid, meaning both online and in person. The cost per credit hour is $550, and if we look at that breakdown, you'll see that tuition for course 1 in the G term is $1,650. Tuition for course 2 in the H term is $1,650. Tuition for course BA 500 Experiential Learning in the H term is $550. In addition to the tuition, we will also be charging a $75 technology fee, which is assessed each G term. Your total cost for tuition and fees each semester will total $3,925. At Campbellsville, it's very important that you understand the payment policy as it relates to your program. At the beginning of each term, you will need to either pay your tuition in full or enroll yourself into a payment plan in TigerNet within the allotted payment plan enrollment time period. This will be prior to the payment due date, and payment will always be due within 1 week after your courses begin. We have 2 options to making your payment. You have option 1, which would be to pay in full by that first due date within the first week of classes. Payment can be made by credit card, e-check, ACH, or wire transfer. If you do choose to pay by card, there is a processing fee, which is 2.75% for domestic cards and 4.25% for international cards. There is no fee if you choose to pay by e-check or ACH using your bank account. We do ask that when choosing this option, please verify your account details before submitting the payment to ensure that you have everything listed correctly. This is important because you will lose the option to pay with this method if a payment is unsuccessful. If you wish to pay with cash, we can only accept cash payments at main campus, which is in Campbellsville, Kentucky, or you can send a money order through your local post office and mail it directly to us here in Campbellsville. Option 2 is to self-enroll into a 3-month payment plan through our student portal. Your total cost of $3,925 will then be divided into 3 payments. Your first payment will be due within 1 week after classes begin. There is no fee associated with this plan as long as you self-enroll into the plan in TigerNet. If you fail to self-enroll into the plan on time, you will be assessed a $50 payment plan enrollment fee and a $100 payment plan late fee. Your second installment will be due 30 days after the first payment due date, and your final installment is due 30 days after that. If you are participating in the payment plan, you will be sent an automatic payment reminder email 10 days prior to your payment due date, but please keep in mind you will still need to go into TigerNet to make your payments by each due date. We do not have the option for autopay on these plans. Our payment policy also states that if you fail to pay in full or self-enroll into a payment plan by the first due date of the term, you will be auto-enrolled into the 3-month payment plan and charged the $50 payment plan enrollment fee, along with a $100 late payment fee for missing your first payment. Also, simply making a payment for part of your tuition balance in TigerNet does not constitute self-enrollment into the plan and could cause you to be auto-enrolled by the system and then charge the $50 payment plan late fee. In addition, if you fail to make payment by each due date each month for the remainder of the plan, you will be assessed a $100 non-refundable late payment fee for each of the missed due dates. Assessing late fees is not something that we enjoy, so please make your payments on time. If you have an issue and find yourself in a situation where you could not make your payment on time, please call our office to discuss the issue as soon as possible. Please do not wait until the date that payment is due or the end of the term to call us, because at that point it may be too late. We can't guarantee that we can help every student in every situation, but we want to help if we can. I want to thank you for your time and thank you for choosing Campbellsville University. Please know that our staff is here to help you manage your student account and answer any questions that you may have along the way. We look forward to serving you and helping you achieve your academic goals.